Hi, my name is Massimo. I'm the co-founder and CTO of Polipo. Here is how we built our own website using this technology. As you can see, I have Figma open on the left side of the screen and the website running on my local machine on the right side of the screen. Our website was built using React, Next.js, and of course Polipo. This means that the layout for the website comes right from Figma and it's synchronized, which means that I can make all kinds of changes in Figma and they are reflected immediately. As you just saw, I can change the color of the CTA button, the copy of the headline, or the order of these elements in this bar. As you can see, the layout is responsive and includes a mobile version that was designed in Figma. Here's the code that imports the layout from Figma and specify how it should react to the screen sizes. And now we see the React code that actually renders this layout and can include custom tags, attributes, event listeners, and dynamic data. Here is our blog, which was also built using this technology. As you can see, you can make changes to elements that are reflected across the whole blog. The blog also includes dynamic data, which is loaded from our CMS, and it's inserted using React in the layout. If you like Polipo, don't hesitate to contact us and book a demo. We can show it in action on your own designs.